Hello cloud experts. So let's move forward and have a quick demo with Route 53. So you can do it from the recently visited services or simply type Route 53 here, or you can go to the services tab and under networking and content delivery you will see the Route 53 just after CloudFront. So here we will click on Route 53. So in this we can see multiple hosted domains, so we can just click on hosted zones. We'll see here multiple hosted zones what we have. Now in this case we'll create a new hosted zone, the domain name what we want to transfer. So here it is ctg-123.com is something what we actually is our URL, where this is the name of the domain that we want our route our traffic for. So we are going with only public hosted domain as of now, but you can also have private hosted zone. So I will simply go ahead and create a hosted zone. So it has created one more hosted zone here, and when I click on this I will simply go to this particular hosted zone and we will just go into the create record option. When we go with create record option, it will give us multiple options for choosing our routing policy. The routing policy is basically how you route traffic to the various resources available in AWS infrastructure. So there can be simple routing which will be available if you are routing traffic to just one resource such as web server, or weighted one, or geolocation based routing, or latency based routing, or failover routing, as well as multi-value answer routing. Now these are the different routing mechanism what we have available, and we as of now we are just going with a simple routing mechanism. We'll go ahead and click on next. So we have to create some simple records here. So we'll create define simple records. So here we'll go with this, either we can type www.ctg.123.com, or we can simply also have some domains under the same domain name what we have created. We can also how you want to route our traffic. So as of now we want to route our traffic to an IP address or another value depending on the record type. So we have created multiple records here. So in this case we are going with multiple records. So what are the different multiple records we have? As of now we have this A records, which is typically route traffics to an IPv4 address and some AWS UC name when we want to route traffic to another domain and to other AWS resources, MX, TXT, and lot of other options here. So as of now we'll go ahead and do the create A record. Now we have to put an IP address here. To do this we will go to the instance page. So this is the instance what we have created, and in this instance page we have IPv4 public IP address. So we'll click on this particular IP address. We will copy this IP address and we will paste this IP address here, and we'll go ahead and define a simple record. So our record is now created. Now if you look at this, we have now, we'll go ahead and one second, we'll go ahead and create records. Our records are being created. So in our hosted zone, which is CTG123, we can actually have different records. So it has multiple records here. It has CTG SOA, which is start of authority record, NS record, which is name server. So whenever we are routing some traffic to this particular hosted domain, we can use these name servers which are available here. It gives you 4 different domain names, and with the different top level domains like .uk, .co.uk, .org, .com, and we have one of the .net domain here which is available here. So we will give these name servers to our hosted domain. It also gives us a type of record which is created here, and also the SOA which is start to 30. So this was a quick demo on Route 53. We have so many other details to cover on Route 53 which we will do in some future session. Thank you very much and hope to see you in the next session. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. For early notification, you can also press the bell icon. If you need any more information, please visit us at www.cloud-training.guru or email us at cloudtrainingguru101@gmail.com. Thank you very much.